What's up guys, Sparker, and you're back and again with another video. In fact, the first video in so long since June, and it's already gonna be the end of August. Yeah, that's gonna need an explanation for another time, but today we're gonna be unboxing the Logitech G603 wireless gaming mouse. Psych! I was gonna unbox it. I did unbox it. But truth be told, I did record that, but here was the problem with that video. Thankfully, I didn't upload it. There was no sound in it, and that's because I had my mic on mute the whole time, the whole 13 minutes of that video. Yeah, it was supposed to be an unboxing video of this mouse right here. But I guess it's time to improvise. Let's get right into me improvising this. So this is the Logitech G603 wireless gaming mouse, and the reason why I got this is because I need a mouse to take on the go for college for some of my classes, and again, that's gonna be a part of my video explaining why I haven't really been uploading. But I wanted a mouse that was gonna be comfortable for my hand, something not too small like this $10 wireless mouse I have, the Logitech mouse I have since middle school. It's really small for my hand. It's uncomfortable. I can't do it with a really small mouse. So I wanted a mouse that would be comfortable for my hand, and yeah, something that's gonna suit my needs really. So let's check out this mouse anyway. Let's get right into it. So this is the mouse, the top part really. You got the scroll wheel with some texture, click, DPI button, or in other words, the sensitivity for your mouse for how fast it's gonna move around on your screen. No RGB lighting. In case you guys don't know me, I like having RGB or the crazy colors on my keyboard, mouse, even the inside of my PC. But I'm doing away with that. This is one of those moments where I don't care about that, and that's really for battery life. Also, why I got this mouse. But to get to some of the other stuff, you see this little, oh my gosh, this is weird. You see this little texture, this texture thing. I'm sorry, I can't speak. You just pull it off. Guess it's magnetic. I think it's magnetic. Yeah, it is magnetic actually. So you guys see the batteries, AA batteries. You can put one battery, but you're only gonna get half of the battery, half of the battery life. So with both the batteries in, you'll get up to 500 hours of battery life. And I think that's if you have Bluetooth on. I don't know about with the USB that comes with it. Half of it, well, take one battery out, you basically get half of it. Not much. I mean, you got the switches where you get those mouse clicks. I'm not sure if you can change them out. You might be able to change them out. I know the Asus ROG mouses can change those out, but this is not an Asus mouse. I was thinking about it, but expensive, not worth. Expensive for the wireless mouse and not worth it, especially because of battery life. One of the most important things for on-the-go stuff is battery life. That's what I look at. That's what I look at on stuff like this. Popping it back on. Back over here, you got the side buttons. Other side, no buttons, and that's because this is really for righty people who like to use their right hand for mouses. I don't know anyone who uses their left hand puts their left hand on their mouse. Comment down below if you guys do that. Know anybody who does. I never really think about anyone who. I don't think anyone really uses their left hand on a mouse. Even lefties usually, but I digress. On the bottom you have the Logitech G603 logo and stuff. You got the, oh man, I can't believe I have to do this. You got the sensor here, optical sensor, by the way, heroes in fact for gaming. This is for gaming, but I didn't get this for gaming really. Over here you got the on, low, or high switch. Over here you got the button that switches it from Bluetooth or USB mode, basically. Not much to be said. Comes with the warranty pamphlet, but no one cares about it. No one does. You got the instruction manual. Wally reference. Sorry. Again, I digress. You got this USB extender for the little USB. For this little guy right here. Can't believe I have to do what Lamar Wilson has to do. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but guy's crazy. This basically labels what mouse this is for. G603. Man, that's crappy. I'm gonna do it till you guys can see it. My gosh, focus! There we go. Finally got it. The G logo. Nothing much to it. I mean, good. What I like about wireless mouse on the go is they better have this feature. They better have a place to put your USB, which this mouse thankfully does, on the bottom. Pull it out. Pop the cover back on. Plug it into your computer, or in this case, my laptop, for my engineering classes. Explanation for why I got this laptop. Later on. I don't know if that's going to be in the same video explaining why I haven't uploaded in a while. So connected. You get the Logitech G Hub software, which is basically where you can adjust the settings on your Logitech the Logitech gaming peripherals, like the keyboard, the mouse mat, if I'm correct. I don't know. Again, I digress. So I'm gonna turn it on high for the sake of this video. White button is for if you're on the USB. Blue if you're on Bluetooth and pairing, but we're not gonna pair it right now. Again, for the sake of this video. I mean, I already have connected anyway to my laptop. So over here you have it on endurance mode. You go to the software. You can change the settings on what the buttons. You assign the buttons basically like maybe you want to reverse it. I don't know anyone would do that though, but I'd be surprised. You got all this stuff, keys, blah blah blah. I don't go through most of this stuff. I just really here for the sensitivity part. And this is where you adjust DPI speeds. You guys can't see them, but barely. This is where you're gonna adjust the speed or the sensitivity for your mouse. And they're color coordinated, and you're gonna see it. Yellow is one speed, white is another, orange is another, etc., etc. And you'll see the light. Right now, you're in purple, which is on basically the high speed I have assigned, and then yellow is the lowest. You have 4 settings, honestly, and I'd rather have it on my 1500 speed. Power mode's on low or endurance. Oh, I had on low mode. So low mode's endurance, which I'm assuming is for battery life, and then high is for performance, which really for gaming. And it's gonna show you when you switch it to performance, you change your sensitivity on your computer. I'm gonna put it on low because this is really how I'm gonna use it anyway. It works fine. I love it, man. I like this mouse. It's very comfy, has some weight to it. It weighs more than this mouse right here. Corsair M65 Elite Pro. It's a long name. Corsair mouse, in other words. Wired. It's light, and I have all the weights in there. Like, it's basically at its heaviest, and it feels pretty light compared to this mouse, but that's because of the batteries. Not much to be said though about this mouse. I really like this mouse, honestly. I'm not testing it out for gaming, because even though it is made for gaming, I didn't really get this mouse for gaming. I just really got it so I can comfortably switch through the settings and all that. Like, just assign them however I want it. And I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll game once in a while on it, like Minecraft, maybe Control. What was that other game that this laptop came with? And again, I'll explain why I got this laptop later. This is not my primary computer, by the way. This is really for my classes. And like, third, fourth time, I don't know how many times. explanation for later. But yeah, it's a good mouse. One complaint though I have about it is this is kind of a minor complaint, but there is no rubber texture like my Razer Mamba Tournament Edition mouse, which that's what I really liked about that mouse. But I can't believe my phone's going off. Anyways, I digress. Yeah, nothing to be said really. No rubber texture, but I mean, I'm gonna keep my thumb on the side buttons anyway. So minor complaint, but other than that, I think it's a pretty good mouse. Pretty portable enough. It doesn't scream "I'm gamer," which is pretty much why I didn't get the Asus mouse. Or the original plan was to use my Razer mouse, but I was like, you know what, it's gonna be too much with the wired. I'm just gonna stick with wireless for the laptop, just to make life so much easier. But to summarize it all, good mouse, wireless. It could be Bluetooth or through USB. AA batteries, doesn't recharge unless you get rechargeable AA batteries, which I do have some, which are the Duracell, but most of them are going gone bad since I've had them for years. But again, I'm going off task or off topic. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, this is how fast. This is the normal speed. Going on the high speed, how much faster it goes across the screen. Lowest setting. You guys might not notice the difference, but oh, okay. This is the highest setting right now. Lowest setting. Okay, there is some difference. Okay, yeah, sorry about forgetting what to say on that, but yeah, before I end the video, good mouse again. Sorry I haven't really been uploading for a while. Talk to you guys about it later, and I pretty much will upload another video. Well, I was planning on uploading a different video or live streaming something very important to me. But yeah, that didn't happen since I'm busy with this mouse, unboxing this mouse and reviewing it for you guys. But yeah, apologies for no uploading. But thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are still around, hopefully watching this video in the future. It's not easy for me trying to get a video up for you guys. It really is. It may seem like I have a lot of time, which I did have some time, but I wasn't really, well, that's just something I'll explain later. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Peace, and have an awesome time, everyone. Okay, I don't usually say awesome time, but I'll see you guys later.